Do you find it challenging to manage when your clients cancel at the last minute? As a registered behavior technician in the ABA field, this can not only disrupt your routine, but also your income. In this video, we'll explore some barriers to fee-for-service work and also some potential ways to generate additional income. The unfortunate thing about a fee-for-service type of job, such as an RBT or in maybe other cases, a mental health clinician, a BCBA, is that your income can heavily rely on your client receiving the specific service, hence fee for service. There is no service, there is no fee. So if it is that you have a position in which your income heavily relies on your client coming to that scheduled appointment or holding that scheduled appointment, when there is a cancellation, it can really throw everything off. So for example, imagine you have your schedule all set for the day, you are booked with your clients, and then all of a sudden, one or two of your clients cancel at the last minute, and suddenly your income that you were expecting for the day drastically decreases. And on top of that, your schedule is now disrupted. Another barrier is the fee-for-service model can lead to unpredictable or unstable income, which can often make it complicated to be able to plan financially. So for example, 1 month you could be booked as it relates to your clients maintaining their scheduled appointments, and the next month, cancellations can lead you to potentially struggling financially. And this is the unfortunate thing as it relates to providing a fee-for-service service. Oftentimes, this type of model will have a drastic impact on RBTs, BTs, and even sometimes BCBAs. When you're working in a space where you work with children or even vulnerable population, sometimes there can be things that pop up that parents or even we have no control over. So sometimes that is the risk that we are taking as service providers when we're signing on for this type of role. Not to say that it's fair, not to say that it is okay, but this is something that does, unfortunately, come within the territory of the space in which we work in currently. It is my hope that there will be some change because I know that it is drastically impacting many people across the United States. And it is my hope as well that we will be able to create more stable employment opportunities for those that work within the fee-for-service world. So you may be thinking, I would love to continue in the role that I'm currently in as an RBT or BT. However, I am pretty interested in learning about other forms of income that I could make to either add on and or to supplement in times of cancellations. One idea could be creating or selling some type of digital materials. So as I'm sure you know, in the ABA space, there is always a need for stimuli. So if you are able to create a Teachers Pay Teachers account or even create an account on Boom Cards where you can use Canva or Word and Google Images to put together some stimuli that can be used for future programming for clients, for teachers, for paraprofessionals, for those in the ABA space, that can be a really great source of passive income. On the front end, it's not so passive, but after you're able to create those materials and then post them onto your platform, that could be a way where you're able to generate some additional income. In addition to being able to create some type of electronic material, I would also even say creating some sort of workbook can be a pretty cool idea. I know for myself, I most recently purchased a workbook / busy book for one of my clients online. So that could be something that's helpful too, because I know that there are a lot of teachers that usually will put together laminated packets of busy books and worksheets and things like that for their students to use for matching and other type of learning activities. So if you are able to have something like that that is pre-packaged and all the teacher has to do is print it out and perhaps add Velcro and laminate, golden. Another idea is conducting workshops or trainings for those in early childhood education or other teachers or administrators. Oftentimes, there is a lack of understanding as it relates to how to properly service children on the spectrum. And I know you want to make sure that you're practicing within your scope of practice and that you are familiar and have been trained and educated in the area in which you are teaching others. However, there are some RBTs out there who probably could go head to head with the BCBA as it relates to their ability to support with management of behavior, to help to create programming for skill development. So if it is that this is within your wheelhouse and this is something that you have been trained on and something that you feel very confident in and have the knowledge to be able to facilitate, this would be pretty much probably an untapped market for you to be able to get out there and provide some training and education or even professional development to those within the educational system. One potential topic that I can think of at the top of my head is how to implement ABA techniques in the classroom. This is something that is so critical that many teachers, whether it's daycare providers, elementary school teachers, middle school, high school, they may not know how to do or how to do effectively. So if you are able to give them some type of information, some type of resources as it relates to their ability to make their lives much easier, I am pretty sure they'll take you up on that offer. Perhaps even becoming a babysitter may be something that is attractive to you. There are often many parents who are just wanting a break, wanting some respite, needing a parent night out, or just a rest, okay? Some parents just want to sleep. And oftentimes parents aren't able to do those things because they either have tried babysitters in the past and they just have not worked out, and they may be looking for someone who has the ability to properly care for their child that has autism or their child with a special need. And being that you have this skill in behavior management, skill acquisition, being able to teach life skills, independence, all of the wonderful things that I'm sure that you all are currently doing within your job, this could be something that makes you more attractive as a potential childcare provider or babysitter to a family that is looking for a little break. A win is a win. It is my hope that these strategies can help you to navigate the challenges of a fee-for-service model and ensure a stable income as an RBT. For more tips and strategies, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted on the next time that I drop a video. See you in the next one.